Hello guys, welcome to our channel CEO Tech. Today learn about NoSQL database. Are you ready to start? NoSQL database. NoSQL is type of database management system DBMS that is designed to handle and store large volumes of unstructured and semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational database that use tables with predefined schemes to store data, NoSQL database use flexible data modules that can adapt to changes in data structure and are capable of scaling horizontally to handle growing amount of data. NoSQL is a non-relational database that is used to store the data in the non-tabular form. NoSQL stands for not only SQL. The main type of database: document-based database, key value stored, column-oriented database, graph-based database. Key features of NoSQL database: dynamic schema, horizontal schema, document-based, key value-based, column-based, distribution and high availability, feasibility, performance. Advantages of NoSQL: many advantages are high scalability and high availability. Feasibility, high availability, scalability, performance, cost